चलो.
Action.
Good morning, everyone. I am Abhinav Kundu. Today we all gathered here to discuss about the topic: Can illiterate be given driving license or not? Okay. So today I am going to say against it. Okay. And so first of all, I want to say, what is driving license? Driving license is a card showing that the driver can drive and he has or she has passed all the tests. So if he or she is illiterate, then how can we give him or her the license? We should not give that him or her the license. That's the point. So now we recently we have got a news that the High Court also said that the license to the illiterate will be cancelled soon. There is a news like that. So uh, if there is
Sorry to interrupt you, Kundu. Can you give me the source of where did you get this type of news?
you can search in Google also. There was a news like that.
Okay.
Yeah. Now and so like if a person if a person who have neither passed the test or like that, okay, and he or she has given the license. So if he or she doesn't know the sign of the road where we have to not cross the speed up to where you have to limit the speed, and if you don't know the sign, then how he will drive? How he will made an accident? And nearly in India in 1 minute in India nearly 1 minute 4% died. So according to me, though the illiterate person license should be cancelled.
No, but I want to ask you something. Have you
uh,
seen? Means you are saying that there is difference between illiterate and the person who doesn't know to drive. Okay, is
yeah.
there any difference between illiterate and the person who don't know to drive,
No,
or,
there
No,
is
or
it
are
no
they same?
says
no.
that they are both
If
same.
I
A
never said
person
that
who don't know driving is illiterate, or a illiterate does not know
No
driving.
driving. Yes. Are these two things same? I want to
both
ask
are
you
No,
this.
they,
Just answer in
both are
yes or
totally.
no. Don't explain me. It's just a simple.
No, it's not same.
It's not the same. Then how can you say
No.
that illiterate person can't be given driving
No,
license?
I just told that how can he drive?
No. Illiterate
If
doesn't
he
mean
is
he have to read.
illiterate,
He have to read. He have to drive. Okay. Have you seen girls driving on road?
yes.
I will share you incident of mine. Of mine, I will share you an incident of mine, which was happened a year ago in KP8, near KP8. Okay, me and my friend was standing on our vehicle near that Photoshop uh, dukan or shop. Okay, and a girl, literate girl. Okay, who was studying in college. She was or must be knowledgeable something. She must be good speaking in English. She was literate, and she came and struck us. What we say, hit us. She can't control her vehicle. Okay, and then there was a guy. Okay, delivery boy, illiterate. Okay, he was standing beside the road. She also hit him. What was his means गलती गलती क्या बोलते हैं? What was his
fault.
mistake? Okay, what was his mistake? He was just standing in beside a road, and a literate girl hit a illiterate boy. Okay, so
Means
No, I
Atul
am asking you
statement.
one thing, Atul. Have you seen his or her license? Here the
who's
topic is, can illiterate be given license or
We
not?
can assume
no?
in India that a person who is riding a vehicle must have driving license because without
Who
driving
told
is
you?
nobody
That's not
can
necessary.
drive. Yes, it is necessary, na. He is talking about Bhubaneswar main road Patia. There always a checking of driving license. So without driving license, nobody can drive.
And okay, let's think. Let's think. The girl doesn't have driving license, but if she apply, will she get or not? She will definitely get.
Obviously, how
But
will
she
get? How
doesn't know
she
to
will get?
drive,
If
and
he
she is
doesn't
also literate.
passes the test, if he or
No,
she doesn't
there
passes the
is
test,
no test. Okay, all the thing is about money. No,
In
it
India,
doesn't
you
matter
are
you are
almost
literate
aware
or
that the driving
illiterate.
tests are just a formality.
Yes,
Nothing is done there.
my
Okay,
friend,
but as per Kundu's statement, state that the literate and illiterate one, we are when we are in primary education. Okay, when we are taking our primary education, they have already the teachers of ours already said that this sign stays to stop. This sign states that there is speed breaker. We are all aware if we have taken at least primary knowledge, we all are aware about signboards, where to speed up, where to get slow, where not to
if
turn
if
on.
if that
We
person
all are
doesn't
aware
have
about
the
that.
primary knowledge, then
Means in India, an average person is a primary student, has already taken primary education. So we cannot directly say that he is illiterate and he cannot be given driving lessons. Okay, as per illiteracy, I want to say that what does illiterate means? Illiterate means having less knowledge in some particular area. A person who is having BTech or MTech in some most awaiting stream, that is electrical engineering, may be illiterate in another field of just like designing. He does not know designing, so we can say that he is illiterate
no,
in
no,
designing.
no, Anand,
one
no.
thing,
This
As per Kundu's statement. But here we are discussing about a driving license. A person is has to give some driving test, driving license, or experience. We all are teenagers. We already have hands-on experience of bikes and riding bikes and riding cars. So we are all aware about the rules and regulations. So there is no issue of illiterate to giving driving license. They can be given driving license. They have to just pass the driving test or give some the bribes. They can easily get driving license. There is no issue.
even you must have seen a person who is illiterate can drive better than the person
Yes, the
who have
illiterate.
driving license already.
The
If you
person
say
who is driving
he
BMW
has
car
passed exam, and in exam what type of question they ask? uh, they ask what is the speed limit of Kerala. What will this do with the experience in driving? Will this help to know the speed limit of Kerala? I am driving in Bhagalpur or Bhubaneswar, and the question asked is me the what is the speed limit in Kerala? What is this? How will this
that
help
is
me?
inconvenient question. That is
Okay,
useless.
the test is not that much
one
good.
thing I want to say that what do you mean by illiterate? Illiterate means is that you don't have knowledge in some particular
Less
topic,
No,
knowledge
no.
or
or
I
you
comparatively more
have
knowledge.
for
not
that
got
point I
any
disagree
knowledge.
with Anand. For that point I disagree with Anand.
Yeah,
Illiterate means the
it is you don't have
something.
any knowledge about
Yes,
anything.
yes. You if
That is
What
there
illiterate.
is
You
something
what
can't
that
means
say
having any knowledge about anything?
yes,
no. I
illiterate
said
means
don't
there
have
is
any knowledge about anything.
Don't
yes.
have, maybe have less knowledge or don't have. I have told na comparatively low knowledge.
No,
That means that you
illiterate
have no
doesn't.
knowledge.
You are never illiterate in a certain subject or thing. If you
Yes,
are
yes,
Yes,
no,
illiterate,
that
you
is
are
not
particular
subject.
illiterate.
subject.
I am not
How?
telling in subject. I am telling in illiteracy in education sector. Okay, illiteracy always comes in education sector. We
Yes.
cannot say that somebody is illiterate in jharu pocha laga.
No, no. Yes. Yes.
Literacy always comes in
Yeah.
education sector.
Yes, that's what
So
we
I
are
am
saying. You said that if he is fashion designing, he's
Yes, yes.
illiterate in
yes,
engineering.
yes.
No,
What
that
I
is
am
not.
trying to convey na कि Kundu said that a
Illiterate
person is
means the
illiterate
person
not
who
be given
doesn't
driving
know
license.
to
I am
write
also
and read. Okay, illiterate
You
means the
have given the
person.
example like MTech and
yes,
BTech.
yes, yes. The example is the
How
best
that
suiting
you
here.
can't say that person is
No,
illiterate in designing
MTech,
portion. That is not
just like the
illiteracy.
just like Atul given the example of a lady of a girl who is riding a bicycle and a delivery boy. Likewise, I have given
no,
the
but
example same.
you said that illiterate means in a particular sector of
Area,
education.
Area,
But
yeah.
particular
illiterate means
area,
the person who don't know to read or write.
as
They are
per
Yes,
illiterate.
that is the thing.
That they are
then they are
illiterate.
called uneducated.
No, no,
A
no.
person
They are
with
called
not yes,
illiterate.
yes,
You
as
can
per
Google
my
it.
They are
You
knowledge,
called
can
illiterate.
Google it.
Here the topic is, guys. Here the topic is,
uneducated.
can illiterate be given
Yes, yes.
license?
Okay,
Illiterate
No.
means
okay,
the person
okay,
who
okay,
doesn't know to read
okay.
or write. So the topic
Yes, yes.
is can the person who doesn't know to read or write be given driving license?
Yes. So the person cannot be able to read or write in. What is the matter of reading and writing in the driving license area?
No,
A person.
that's
If
that
you
is the
don't
topic.
know how to
That
read,
is the
you
topic.
don't know the sign.
What
Then
do to
how
sign?
will
No,
What is the relation between the sign, reading sign? We all know the sign. Rickshaw
who told you
people
that
no,
and
no.
who told you that you
Even
all know
if
the
I
sign?
will,
and
even Anand,
auto
if
stand rickshaw driver also knows the value of sign.
no,
Okay.
only two to
So,
three,
No,
only two to three. Even I will show you
I
some
don't
signs.
agree
You
with you,
will
Anand.
not be
yes,
able
yes,
to
they
answer.
know the sign.
You
They
will
know
not
sign.
be able to answer those signs, those traffic signals.
Bas. Yes, yes. So in India, most of the people are violating. Most of the educated person, so-called literate person, are violating the signals, jumping the signals. So what about you say? What is the where is the education there? Is there any means of education, meaning of education there?
Jumping is
But the
there.
topic is not about the jumping
No, no,
of.
no. I am saying that the you know na you told na ki a person every person is not able to identify the sign signals. Okay, I am telling that a literate person, a well corporate person who is aware of every sign. Okay, also jumps the signal,
No,
also violates the
nobody is
rule.
aware of all
So
signs
he
until
can
you
be given
study.
driving license. Yes, a
We
driving
all
license.
know few common signals such as the speed breaker
Yes.
or the speed
That's
limit
what I am
or
saying.
the
Na?
turn.
Everybody knows two common signals, red, blue, green. Everybody knows
No,
what
that
where
is
to stop,
not
where to
signal. That is traffic signal, and these are
what
road
And here
safety
we
signals.
are
These those are
road.
different things.
what different thing. Red, blue, green, yellow. These are traffic
The,
signals and
yes,
not related
those
to
are
driving
traffic
license.
signals, and the signals which are
Like
put on the
see, I am
board
giving one
are road
example. In
safety signals.
if you are traveling in a high road, okay, in you are traveling in highway, okay, and you have seen that you have seen this type of triangle, and there is some signs are given that straight, then this,
Yes,
like this type
they
of
are
sign.
road safety signals. And what
And
you are
if
saying, blue, green, red are traffic
yeah,
signals.
Basically, the basic knowledge of yes, yes. I am. So these are also the part of the qualifying the driving license sector. If you don't know the basic signals, so how will you know the that fancy signals of right turning in and turning out and here and there? Basic signal is the traffic light signal. Everybody should know the.
okay, so let's conclude. The time is going.
No, what
So
is the time?
So I have not put up my point. We all influenced in chaos. So what
okay,
my
okay,
point was, I'm not concluding. What my
okay,
point was that the illiterate should be given driving license because the illiterates can be given some proper training, proper training exams. As we all know that the training exams in India is very poor. That is not our business. We are not here to upgrade or improve the government. What is the current situation that we are talking about? So the proper training test, an illiterate person can be able to drive a car or anything he wants to drive. It is not matter that he is illiterate or illiterate. Only matter is the proper training. If he has hands-on experience of driving any vehicle, he can be given driving license. No matter, no issue. That was my point.
Yes, in that point I would agree because we should driving is something which is we do practically. There is nothing need of theoretical knowledge. So if a certain person have the practical knowledge, he can be provided a driving license. Doesn't matter that he is illiterate or literate. If he can drive a road in a good manner, then he should be given driving license. You can't say that a person is illiterate and he can't get driving license because he will be involved in an accident. Because if you see the person who have KTM, they must be from good family background and they must be literate. They hit the person who are illiterate. They hit the person who are road beggars or vendors. They are not illiterate and they are hitting them. So you
And
can't say
adding
that.
points to Kundu's statement that he told that earlierly that in India, in 1 minute, as per his research, 1 minute, 4 to 5 people die. I don't know, but the reason of the accident is not only the illiteracy.
Yes, yes,
It is the reason of the road safety. Roads are
yes.
broken. Roads
Roads,
are very,
yes,
very, very bad. They must be the reason. There
and you
must be
can't
some
blame
very
illiterate
strict,
for them.
Yeah, you can't say that that
you
is
cannot say
not
that
the reason. You
illiteracy
can
is
say no that
stressful.
it if like if
A truck
everyone is
driver,
na-
a truck driver.
if
Okay,
everyone
okay,
is
okay.
giving good training and everything
I
is
am
given
giving you a
there.
one example. A truck driver. What will be
Yes,
the literacy rate of him? About you, Kundu, tell me. What will be the
that
literacy rate of a truck driver?
that's all. That is the
But
thing I'm telling. If
he is driving the truck last 20 years. He has the most hands-on experience,
Yes,
but he does not know the
hands
sign.
if
and a
he is driving
person
for
and a
20
person
years,
who
then
just cleared.
he will know every sign.
What
He will know
he
the
will know?
sign.
No,
How he will know? He does not
How?
know the
no, no. He
sign
will not know
and
sign, but he will know how to drive. Okay.
but he know how to drive.
Yes, and a person who just cleared a exam and has gotten driving license, if you will give him a truck to drive,
But at
he
the
will
next day he
definitely
just
hit
got
somewhere.
accident. So what you will say?
There's a thing that
Yes, that is the point. That is the point.
No, you can't
Literacy
you
rate does
can't
not
blame
mean you
illiteracy
are knowing. Yes,
for.
sign conventions are not one criteria. It is one of the
it
criteria.
is. Yeah, it is one of the
No,
criteria.
you
Yes.
have not said that it is one
Ha,
of the criteria.
do you
You said
okay, Kundu? Do you see the signs while driving? Do you see signs while driving?
Where I am belong, there is no like that of sign. I don't
Then
you
you
drive
are
in
illiterate.
in
highway.
a
Then
metropolitan
you
city
are
and you don't.
illiterate.
No, I don't drive in highways.
No,
I
Where you
don't
not
don't
drive
only
in
in
drive in
highway
cities,
there are signs. On a normal road also there are signs.
there
where
are signs.
in
There are
Aligarh
signs.
in
You
go
have
in lane where you will find the
no,
sign.
no, no,
Tell me.
no. In India, you can find in rural areas there is a signboard called a speed breaker, just
Ah,
like this.
yes,
It is will be there.
and
It
also
will be there.
a board on which it is written 40 or 20, which is
40
the speed
kilometers speed
limit.
limit. It will be there
That
at
is
any road.
when you are leaving the town and you are
No, no,
entering the
no.
highway.
Within the city, it is the speed limit. There, it is given a signboard. There
I
must
have
be
not
signboard.
here in here. I don't have
Best,
seen.
best example. Best example. Just outside the school, there is a no horn sign. You have already seen
Yes,
that.
yes, that I have seen.
You said that you have not seen any signboard.
Then and do you and when you cross the school, if there is something, you don't apply horn,
Just like this.
Kundu. You don't apply horn.
You apply. We
No,
all
You
apply.
I have
you
not
apply.
applied.
Then you illiterate. You shouldn't be given driving license. No, you
No.
can't judge someone because they are
Yes.
illiterate.
Driving license
Okay,
just
Ill,
okay. My
because
point was
illiteracy is
that
something which you can
we
improve.
train them, if we train them, then there will be the less
yes.
possibility of
Now the
accident.
people has
Yes.
changed its point
Now
of
you
view.
came the on the point.
Point of view has been changed.
Yes, that's what a person need to change to become literate from illiterate.
Yes. That is the
Okay,
conclusion area.
Yes.
Thanks. Thank you, guys.
okay. So everyone conclude once more. I am concluding first. So our topic was, can illiterate be giving license, driving license, yes or no? So according to me, if they are given some training or some experience, they are given handsome experience, then they should get that. Like and this is my conclusion. Now, Anand, please conclude something.
Yes. And I want to conclude only one point that literate, illiterate does not means in any practical situation where the practical skills needed, an emergency situation which can handled by any truck driver who does not have any education, does not mean that a BMW driving literate person can succeed in that situation. Emergency situation can come, and a truck driver can handle better than a BMW driver who is just getting his driving license one day before. So literacy rate does not mean, yes, it is one of the factor, because if the literate person can well knowingly the signboards, the rules and regulation, our country will be safe. Our country will become a developed country. It will be, but for driving license is not necessary to be literate.
Yes, I will agree with Anand. If the if there are certain training, good training, which will train the drivers more, then India will become a safer place to drive. And also the road plays a major role in the accidents. So
Yes.
And according to the topic, illiterates doesn't mean that they can't get driving license, because if you travel on road, then the local services like auto or rickshaw, they are all driven by a illiterate person, and you trust them to reach your home. So you can't tell that you are illiterate, you will not get driving license, just left your vehicle and go home. So it, you can't say that. So it is very wrong to say that illiterate can't give a driving license.
Very interesting topic, very interesting answers. Thank you, people.
Yes.
Okay, so let's end. अरे मीटिंग है बंद